Hey guys, Bart from TST Industries here. In this video, we're going to show you the installation of these Womet-Tech bar ends on a 2014 and up Yamaha FZ-09, also known as the MT-09 in Europe. This is a very straightforward installation. Let's begin. So we're going to start the procedure by removing the OEM bar ends. To do that, we will be using an 8mm Allen. The next step will be to thread in the Womet-Tech bar end base. We'll bottom out this component by hand and then use a 22mm socket to finish the job. All right, and finally, we will mount the delrin bar end piece onto the base and thread in the screw that mounts the delrin bar end onto the base. We'll do that by hand first and then use the wrench to tighten it up. All right, we'll repeat this procedure on the other side. It's as simple as that. Bike's ready to go.